Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to protect your MetaMask from hackers. We'll start with the fundamental steps to secure your digital assets. First, always create a robust, unique password for your wallet. Next, enable two-factor authentication on any associated email accounts. Remember to only download MetaMask from its official website or trusted app stores. Always double-check the website address before interacting with your wallet to avoid phishing attempts. These initial precautions are crucial for a strong defense. Your 12-word seed phrase is the master key to your funds, so protecting it is paramount. Never, under any circumstances, share this phrase with anyone, even if they claim to be support. Store it offline in a secure, physical location, like a safe deposit box or a fireproof safe. Avoid saving it on your computer, phone, or any cloud service, as these are vulnerable to digital attacks. For an extra layer of security, consider using a hardware wallet to manage your assets. Hackers often use clever tactics to trick you into revealing your information. Be extremely cautious of unsolicited messages, emails, or pop-ups that ask for your seed phrase or private keys. Never click on suspicious links, as these can lead to phishing sites designed to steal your assets. Always verify the authenticity of any website before connecting your MetaMask wallet. Additionally, avoid using public Wi-Fi networks when accessing your crypto, as they can be insecure. Stay vigilant against these common threats. For enhanced protection, consider using a dedicated, clean device solely for your cryptocurrency transactions. Regularly review and revoke permissions for decentralized applications that you no longer use or trust, minimizing potential attack vectors. Always keep your operating system, web browser, and MetaMask extension updated to the latest versions, as these often include critical security patches. Finally, employing a virtual private network, or VPN, can add an extra layer of privacy and security to your online activities. These steps significantly bolster your defenses.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.